everybody. Yeah. In the group chat earlier, I already announced this. No. I hope it will be a help of help, but I do not suggest without talking to your doctor or something like that, no, or some expert assistance may be necessary. So controlling BP, blood pressure, with and without drugs or medicine. No? Okay. Is it possible to control BP without drugs? A myth or a possibility? Okay, let's see. Can one control BP without maintenance? No. Absolutely no. Okay. What kind of maintenance are available? Drugs and non-drugs. Drugs as BP maintenance or prescribed medications. Blood thinners, beta blockers, they are all drugs and they are prescribed by the doctors. Non-drugs as BP maintenance, exercise. So physical, mental, psychological, spiritual, and water. Water is the best blood thinner. Nothing can defeat that one. Can one wane away from medication without BP control systems? Yes, a possibility with lots of discipline. We're going to see the discipline now. So what disciplines? Strict hydration practice, slow deep breathing techniques, gradual waning or gaining away. Recognize various BP triggers to manage them. Prayer, meditation, no? And also brain waves, frequencies, they are useful frequencies to relax the brain. Usually they are adagio tempo, no? Okay. Discipline. Number one, strict hydration practice. Water in proportion to weight. Example, 50 kilograms yung timbang times 0.04. That's a factor. You get 2 liters, 2. So for a 50 kilogram weight of a person, the minimum amount of water intake for the day, 2 liters. You need that 2 liters to digest your food, to clean your systems, and to hydrate the cells. So, tatlo yan. Hydration ng mga cells, no? And then, cleaning. Ayan. There are, water is important. Chile mine rescue in 2010. those people that were trapped underground mine, no? 800 meters deep in the ground. The 2-day supply lasted for 17 days. So grabing tipid nila, no? But water was obtained from spring and radiators. You can imagine the dark place. So dark, and they have to kakapain nila lahat ng pupuntahan nila. But they survive because they have water from radiators. Discipline number 2, slow deep breathing techniques. Yan, available sa internet. There are the to relax 4, 7, 8 for the setting up mind for especially for mga policeman before the attack or something like that. No, 4, 4, 4. Yeah, something like that. But to relax the brain is 4, 7, 8. You inhale for 4 seconds. You hold your breath for 7 seconds or 7 counts and release your breath slowly for 8 counts or longer. No? You inhaled through the nose, hold, and you exhale through the mouth like blowing a candle, no? That without putting it off, very slowly. No? So athletes hold their breaths and live with excellent BP. Swimmers, they hold their breath for a long period and paddle themselves now as best as they can. And yet, they come out very healthy in that practice. So, holding breath is very important. To know how to hold your breath is very important, not only for sports. Discipline number 3, gradual weaning or waning away. No? So artists, athletes, pilots train for habits, mental and physical conditioning. It begins with a plus, that is do. Exercise, they'll make exercise. Like eating, okay, you eat, or you play violin, or you play piano, that's do. Or a minus, that is deny yourself, like fasting, no? Or athletes, they deny themselves with many things. Okay, let's see how they do it. Okay, this is recognize various BP to manage them. Physical, no? Emotional triggers, psychological triggers, also even spiritual triggers. There are, So the discipline aspect is important. Discipline, prayer, and meditation, solitude, silence bring clarity of spirit. Jesus fasted 40 days and 40 nights. We are in Lent. Intermittent fasting is becoming a vogue. Now, people purposely do not eat for 12, 14 hours, 20 hours, some even 24 hours before they take their first meal. And yet, they grow big muscles, strong muscles, and healthy structures. No? Okay. So, prayer and meditations are useful. We do not command the brain. We train it to do feats of possibilities. Example, Niccolo Paganini, a violinist, worked and practiced with his violin 15 hours a day. You can imagine that. 15 hours a day to become a concert violinist, concert pianist, any musical instruments. They require a lot of discipline, of doing and denying themselves. That's discipline. Know your enemy so you can run away from. So among the known high blood triggers, dehydration, anger, fear, phobias, excitement, anxiety. We'll see them one by one. Trigger 1, dehydration. Dehydration is loss of oxygen, therefore loss of life. It may not be immediate, but it is going to that direction. The moment you lose oxygen, you are losing life. No? And hydration is the key to provide oxygen to the body. No? Anger. Anger is unreasonable. Only man is reasonable with risks. Yeah. When he goes out of reason, then that's another reality. But anger is never a solution. If it is not controlled, it's very dangerous. Third trigger, phobia, fear, phobias. They exist in the mind, like panic attacks. Persons think they are really sick, but it's all in the imagination. And very, very hard to convince them that they are not sick. No. But fears, phobias can be helped by experience. Now, there are people who are afraid of butterfly, for example. And the only way to make them counter that fear is let them touch a butterfly, experience. And before they manage to, there are, in the past, I have seen quite a number of television shows about phobias. And that is how they help people in fear experience. They bring them to counter their fears. It's a terrible moment, but when they experience that what they are afraid of does not happen, then it becomes a big relief. So there are people afraid of butterfly, of ants, of anything. No? And the only way to counter that is let them touch the thing they are afraid of. And when they experience that nothing happened to them, then they start to change. The mind starts to accept realities. Trigger for excitement. So even joy, even happiness, be careful. I recall one grandmother who went to Manila to see her first apo. That night, after seeing her Apo that night, she had a high blood pressure and did not recover. No? So even excitement, no? It makes your heart beat fast, and you cannot control. The only way to control that really is hold your breath, so that your heart will pump slowly. That's the reason for holding your breath. You allow the heart to pump, you force the heart to pump slowly, reduce the frequency. Trigger number 5, anxiety, mental pressure, no? Emotional obsessions, mental fatigue wears out the body. No? So when you start uh, pursuing a thought that you cannot do anything until you become weak, sometimes the people do not eat anymore because just thinking about that, ah, uh, sisingilin ka talaga. Any way out to control blood pressure? Okay. Yeah. Rest the mind and the body in prayer. The ways of the saints bring life. Respect the laws of nature. They are God's way to life. The Word of God, I am the way, the truth, and the life. So that's Jesus. So when you don't anchor your mind to something solid, to something real, yeah, it will fly somewhere you cannot reach. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's the end of the presentation. Let us see. Um, is that possible that by just holding your breath, you you can if you have a digital watch, it's easier to how do you call this? That may ano siya, may apps for blood pressure. Um, you can test that and practice it. Practice it. No? Waning away from uh, maintenance is a discipline. No, for example, I am I have done it, and I am already um, more than 2 years. More than 2 years. No more maintenance for BP. No, but before the doing that, there were plenty of ifs. There was a struggle really. It took me months struggle. How I did it is something like this. For example, maintenance na you take every day. It could be blood thinner. It could be anything. Uh, First thing really is hydration. At least for 2 weeks, if not a month. You know, really check your hydration. Control, monitor your water intake as per your weight. And then what you take every day, once a day, you can start with one every other day. for 1 week or 2 weeks. Pero nandyan ang gamot. Nandyan. Kasi the psychological, what this is, fear, the fear is there always. Then when you succeed, you feel comfortable that one every other day, you maintain still the same blood pressure, stable pa rin, you can move to 1 every 2 days. For 1 week, 2 weeks. Yan. Then every 3 days, 1 every 3 days, 1 every 4 days, 1 every week, until you can command your mind, your by breathing, holding your breath slowly, exhale slowly, so that will allow your heart. The reason for holding breath is to prolong your diastolic. What is the diastolic? That's the over 120 over 80. No? The over 80, over 90, over 100, you keep it to over 80 or lower, slightly lower. But when you are over 90, 120 over or 140 over 90, something like that, you start to train already to hold your breath. That means the heart is pumping faster than it should. So by holding your breath, you force the heart to beat slower. No? Okay. And when there is a very slow blood flow, it takes me time to go to low to 80 or something like that. Then you start this movement, like boxing, no, or just kicking. It helps to circulate the blood, and once the blood is flowing, then the BP also follows. They correct the BP. No, yeah. So I don't know. I hope, but always talk with experts what you want to do, no, and you can try without don't do it in a hurry. No, it took me at least 4 months. Then after that, there are when stress comes in, no, you cannot avoid it in the office. You cannot avoid it. When stress comes in, your BP goes up. You find your time to stand up and breathe some fresh air, or hold your breath, no, and move every 2 hours. Move, no, stand up from your seats. Do not sit the whole day. No? So every 2 hours, and even for the eyes, for your what I do every 2 hours, I go out and look at a very far distant figure. No? In here, I have at the end of the swimming pool, there is something like no horseplay. I focus on the letter O. Yeah, to that will kasi pag matagal ka na nakafocus ka sa malapit, your muscles harden. No? So you have to look very far again to relax that muscles and adjust the distance of what you are looking. So your muscles no, will not harden, will be still flexible. Then the blood flow. The BP goes up when your blood cannot flow. Then the heart has to pump harder to push it. Okay.
Father, may question po
Yes, please.
sa chat box from Max Rosario. Soriano, sorry po. What's the correct BP? How about
Well,
these
uh,
ivermectin pads? It's been showing up quite a bit on social media to kill cancer.
um, okay, I am not an expert for it, but okay. Uh, yeah, there are many information in the internet, but you have to judge it really. Maybe consult expert to advise you. I do not dare because I am not licensed to advise medical medicine, no. But this uh, sports, no, musical arts discipline, believe me, they follow rules of nature, of breathing. The cyclists, runners, uh, weightlifters, they know how to control their breath to their advantage. So it is a reality. It is not a myth. How you can do it? You can do it only by practice. And to practice it, I suggest you buy a digital watch with the app to check your blood pressure. No, it helps. It helps. The thermometer to control is very laborious. No, to yeah, it's very laborious. Instead, the digital watch you just press it against your skin or near um, the the yeah, even just on the skin. It watches, it monitors the pulses. Yeah. So uh, the question is again, what was it?
Ang ivermectin pala, pads,
Ah,
that,
I
that's the,
am not I am not qualified to comment on it.
yani man, but I don't think anybody is qualified to comment on that. But
Yeah.
they've been
But
using
you
that.
hear people, you try to hear people who have used it, no?
Oh, okay.
By their experience, they can tell you how they use it. No, there are people I heard already. In fact, some people is trying to convince me also.
What do you think about that?
I did not try yet. I did not try. You know.
Supposedly,
But there are
it's a is it deworming for for horses
no.
or
I will victim as a COVID.
okay.
Uh,
It's a
the
medicine for ano, di ba?
the
For
look the problem of COVID is the blood coagulates. Why? Okay, the blood has to be slightly negative, red blood cells. The electrical environment inside the cells, inside the blood vessels, is slightly negative. Why negative? No, so that um, the RBC is slightly negative. Why negative? So that like charges repel. But when a positive charge like a virus or acid gets into the blood vessel, that's positive atoms, then they will attract, they will didikit yan sa negative charge. Kaya pag maraming positive charge, ah, iipunin and didikit, it will attract all the negative charged red blood cells. Kaya nag-coagulate. So, what we did there was to nebulize alkaline essence, the enzyme. No? The alkaline is OH negative. The atom, the molecule is charged with negative electrical charge, while the COVID viruses are positive charge. So itong what is this? The OH negative, didikit siya sa positive na may dala OH siya, OH. So ang H negative, didikit siya sa H positive. Pero ang H negative may oxygen na dala, nakadikit sa kanya, embedded. Kaya basta may oxygen na yan, mawala na yung acid. That's how you prevent coagulation. So, nebulizing alkaline gives negative electrical charge environment in the blood vessels, including the red blood cells. So when the environment around the red blood cell is negative, it will repel the red blood cells. So there is no chance to coagulate. Pero pag may positive charge, acids, may acid sa loob na ng blood vessels, delikado na yan. Kasi iipunin niya, didikitan niya lahat ng red blood cells. Iipunin niya sa kanya. That's coagulation of red blood cells. No? So, yeah, I will not discuss the blockers, calcium blockers, or whatever. No, I am not licensed to do that. But water is definitely the best blood thinner. The aspirin as a blood thinner targets the platelets na hindi mag-coagulate. Pag nagsugatan ka, you will bleed to death. So, they can help, but you have to know the risk so you can use it properly. They work as blood thinner, but you have to know the risk behind it also. But for blood thinner, nothing beats water. Okay. That's why sa discipline na binigay ko, unang-una is hydration. For at least a month, you have really to be very stable in your hydration. Then you control that. There are still other physical, psychological, like fear or fatigue or what. There are other factors that can trigger BP. But you have to know them. What are they? So you know how to run away from them. Okay. I hope you can always ask your doctor, but your doctor will definitely not, but it depends how you talk with your, how your doctor knows you. Yeah. I do not suggest unless you are guided by experts. Unless you have really a thorough command of lowering your heartbeat at will. The trick is lowering heartbeat at will. That's the over 80, over, no? That's the diastolic. The cyclists, the very strong cyclists, usually they have over 60 lang. Mga cyclists, mababa masyado ang over nila. That means the heart is able to pump slowly even at very laborious or very fatiguing effort like pedaling, boxing, weightlifting. They are all, they must know how to hold their breath. Otherwise, the heart will succumb. So even if you do not want to remove your drugs, please try that. You might save yourself also. Hold your breath and release it slowly, so that your heart will have a slower pumping frequency. Okay.
Other question.
Yes, please. I'll just put on there.
Brother, how about yung mga maintenance drugs with the one ending with tatin? Yung mga atorvastatin.
Okay,
Does it really destroy the yung liver po natin?
okay, I will not comment it here, but I will ask you to read comments on the internet. No, I don't want to comment it here publicly, but you can get information, what are they targeting? They are blockers, and they target certain functions physically in the heart or in the blood vessels, like the angiotensin 2, There are medication targeting the normal operation. Of course, they may help, like for example, when some drugs, they target the angiotensin. The angiotensin is automatic, constricting or relaxing the blood vessels. But when they are forced by the drugs, they may remain just relaxed, no more contracting. So you have to know. You have to know the drugs you are taking. You have to know which part of the body they are controlling or modifying. Then you might have a natural substitute for it. Of course, it's easy to just listen to the doctors. They are the professionals, so okay, but that's why may yung sinasabi nila na side effects. You have to know that. It will help you to do something. Pero on the side, ano ang risk mo? Like the blood thinner I'm talking about. The aspirin is targeting platelets, not to coagulate. But when you get wounded, your platelets will not coagulate. You will bleed to death. That's what I mean by risks. They do something good if you along the line that they are supposed to work. But if something goes wrong, what happens? No? So, yeah, I brought this out because even if you continue to take your what this is, but you know how to, in moments of difficulties or emergencies, you know how to handle yourself. Okay. Uh, I hope I did not touch something controversial. But I will tell you that I am already more than 2 years. No? To, no blood thinner. No maintenance. But I am alert. The moment I feel something at the back of my head, I check the digital watch. what's the BP? And then I start holding my breath. Or take water, or hold your breath, or start yung sinabi ko kanina, this exercise is very good to make your blood flow. For example, in the evening, this is what I am doing. Before I go to sleep, I check my BP. If it is not over 80, I do not go to sleep. So when it is when it does not reach 80, I start boxing the air. No? Then check again. They go down. You might try. I mean, nothing harm to try it. And even if you do not give up your maintenance, but you know at will how to bring it, because there will be moments that, psychological moments like fear or anger or whatever, your BP will rise even if you have maintenance. You have a resort to hold your breath against you. Kahit na galit ka, hold your breath.
Father, do you still eat meat? Yung red meat, Father?
Okay. About you consult your dietitian according to your health needs. What people saying about the meat, ganito yan, hindi dahil masama sila. Meat takes time to digest. And if you do not chew them very well, they stay in the stomach long and they become acid. Before they can go out, they will hurt your colon. That's why it is recommended to eat fibers. Fibers are not digestible and they go to the colon. They absorb water. That's their purpose. When they say eat fibers, why you eat fibers? Actually, you do not digest them. But they go to the colon, they bring water, if you are hydrated, they absorb water, and they facilitate the movement of the bowels. That's the reason for fibers. So, vegetables. Now, meat, I don't see you don't eat meat, no? But the reason for reducing maybe meat is that they stay long in the colon. And if they are not excreted quite fast, they become, they harden inside. They will destroy the colon. They become waste, acid. That's why sometimes you get inflamed colon, especially when the bowels do not start to move or constipated. Okay. I hope I answered that.
Question po, Father.
Yes,
Bakit
please.
po pagka nagba-blood test po, hindi po muna pinapainom ng tubig?
I do not know that. So, yung fasting blood sugar, that's another thing. But I think okay. Sorry. You hear me? Okay. No ba?
Yes, Father.
Okay, bumalik na. Nawala. Where am I?
Fasting blood sugar, Father.
Nawawala ang ano ko connection eh.
Fasting blood sugar, Father.
Yeah. Okay. The uh, I think the reason not for fasting is kasi the when you digest your food and so on, no, and you do not drink the water or you do not drink water yet, so the glucose may be still outside the cells, no, and that is why they can find out whether your blood, if the blood has get inside the cells or still outside the cells, no. And usually when diabetic people, their sugar, their glucose do not get inside the cells because for lack of insulin, no. So the glucose remain outside the cells, that is in your blood, no. So kaya tumataas yung blood. So I think the reason for fasting is maybe the the absorption of the blood into the, or how much is absorbed. I don't know. I am not so sure. But how much is absorbed into the cells and what remains outside the cells. Because when you drink water, there are more possibilities that the glucose will get inside the cells. So I think the reason for their fasting is what's the reality, how many got inside the cells and how many remain outside the cells in 12 hours, something like that. Okay. I hope I am not pushing you to to remove your maintenance. What I am after giving this is, even if you have your maintenance, there are triggers like fear, anger, no? So even if you have your maintenance, there are in the presence of these triggers, you still have a recourse to hold your breath. So you slow down the heart, because it might not, even if you take your medicine at once, it might take some time before the medicine is absorbed. But if you hold your breath, it's immediate. No? When you take your maintenance, it does not work. It takes at least 10 minutes before it will take effect to be absorbed by the cells or the target cells or the target organs. Kasi tutunawin mo pa yan, idaan mo pa yan sa liver, idaan mo, bago makarating sa pupuntahan. But if you hold your breath, is immediate. Is immediate. You try. It will help you. It will help you. Talaga. Okay. No. So I don't suggest you remove. First, work on your hydration. Hydration really at least 2 months, 1 month, 2 months of very strict hydration. That will guarantee you a very thin blood. So physically, you are already disposed to how do you call this? Regular pumping, not labored pumping. Okay. Sige, so now, okay. What time is it? 6 o'clock. Okay, we have yeah, we're just on time. I hope it helped, huh? It helped. So even if you have maintenance, please do practice holding your breath and release it slowly. You know? It will force the heart to pump slower at once. But if you take your drugs, your medicine, it takes at least 10 minutes before it will reach the cells, the targeted cells. Kasi i-digest mo pa yan eh. Then it will pass through the liver, then the liver will send it where it is needed. Okay? So I hope you enjoy your swimming. Hold your breath. I really, and you know what the advantage of holding the breath, filling the lungs and hold it there. If you notice, swimmers, ang lalaki ng kaha nila. Why? Because they have trained the lungs to hold even more than the capacity it is able to. No? I mean, they enlarge the capacity of the lung to hold oxygen. No? So usually swimmers have very big chest because the lungs are trained or to expand, holding your inhaling and holding your breath expands the lungs. Notice the swimmer, Ganun yan sila. If they can do it, we can do it also without swimming. Okay? Yeah.
Father,
Yes, please.
we have new attendees in the online meeting.
Welcome.
Can you give
welcome.
us a refresher on how to maintain a hydrated body? How many liters of water do we drink?
Okay. Yeah, very fast, very easy. Okay, thank you. Weight in kilograms. Let's say you are 50 kilograms. No? Times, multiply mo sa 0.04. That's 2 liters. So, nakasanayan na natin kilos, di ba? So, weight in kilos times 0.04, 0.04, no? So 50 times 0.04 is 2 liters. So you count you weigh yourself in kilograms, multiply it by 0.04. That's the amount of water you have to consume during the day. How to consume it? Oh, I give you a hint. From rising to 9 o'clock, if you need more than 2 liters, more than 2 liters. From rising to 9 o'clock, 1 liter. Your food in between. Yeah, you can include that. Then from 9 o'clock to 3 o'clock, another liter. Then from 3 o'clock to sleeping time, another. What is your balance? That discipline will guarantee you thin blood, really thin blood. Ang problema dyan kung nagtatrabaho ka sa office, pag nakaupo ka na, may mga problema, tuloy-tuloy na yan, nasa alas 12. No, discipline, every 2 hours stand up to make your blood flow. No way. And no, take your water intake. Then, how to take your water? Actually, sipping your water, taking it little by little, is better than gulping it. Biglain mo isang baso. Pero kung nagtatrabaho ka, talaga, ano mo na yan? May quantity ka na dyan na tatargetin. Pero kung sa bahay ka lang, sipping your water, is better than gulping it. The absorption is gradual, hindi siya idaan pa sa stomach bago i-distribute. So, ito, okay. The amount of water, okay, I give it already. So, times 0.04. Pag pounds, medyo mahaba pa ang calculation. Anyway, machines now on kilograms, so no problem. 0.04 kilograms times 0.04. That's the water you need. Okay. Any more clarification? So I hope this is useful, kasi mayroon na nga, there are already people taking their medicine, may maintenance na, and stroke, still getting stroke. I mean, because it's not just physical, mayroong psychological, mayroong like anger. They are terrible. Fear, they are terrible they make your blood or heart beat very fast. Phobias are terrible. They are really unbelievable how they destroy the person.
Patch?
Yes, please.
Patch, kasi yung pagmamamanhid po ba ng ibang part ng katawan, ano po ba yun?
Yeah.
Dahil taas ang cholesterol or mataas po ang BP?
Manhid is blood circulation. There is no blood circulation. No? So there are many factors why the blood did not flow. Maybe physically na may naipit na sa muscles na arteries, no? or dehydrated, no? Or fear, all this how they call it, psychological factors, that they make the heart beat fast. But definitely when they affect the blood circulation. Nagmamanhid or something is blood circulation. Usually a little exercise like yung sinasabi ko kanina na yung boxing or that movement or kicking, they are quite fast to relieve. No? Well, do not kick so much no. At least, basta ginalaw mo na yan. Yung mga arteries na naipit ng muscles, like when you are sitting for a long time, grabe, maraming muscles na iipit sa baywang, no? The lower extremities. Yan. Kasi yung bigat mo sitting down acts on the capillaries between the muscles. So really, you have to release that by walking every 2 hours, standing up 2 hours, no? And do some kicking or boxing.
Pats, isa pa po.
Yes, please.
Pats, kasi hindi po talaga ako umiinom ng gamot ever since. Kaya simula po nung nagka-problema ako sa yung sakit ng ulo, yung buong katawan, doon na po ako nabigyan ng mga gamot. Yung,
okay. Yes, please. Go ahead.
But yung gamot po na may, kunyari, losartan, telmisartan, napansin ko po kasi nung umiinom ako noon, parang doon po yata nag-start na, I don't know po, Fadsa, kasi parang doon yata po nag-start mamanhid yung part ng katawan ko, tapos talaga ang bigat-bigat ng ulo.
I suggest, look, I do not want to comment it here, but look what these medicines are controlling, because they are designed to block something natural. No, I do not want to to speak against this what this is, no, but
Yes.
individually you can find out. Take that name of the medicine and check what part of the body they are modifying or controlling.
Yes, Fats.
Yeah, because I know those names that you give, but I do not want to comment here. But I suggest you look what part of the body they are trying to check, to control or to block or to Actually, I am researching on those blockers already, but I do not want to. I will find a way how to explain it, but not speaking directly against those branded medicine. No, but when you control, I am researching on this. When you are controlling, for example, the spleen, or because or you are controlling the liver. Yeah, okay. For example, cholesterol. There are medicines of cholesterol na di-target the liver para hindi mag-produce ng fats. The body is the function of the liver is exactly to produce fats for the brain and for the body. Now, you put something that will go against that. You can imagine what is that? No. So, it will control maybe for a while, but if it is continually suffocating that function, you have to be careful. Huh? Plenty of medicines in controlling cholesterol is targeting functions in the liver, natural functions of the liver. Actually, the liver just need plenty of water to process toxins, to allow both nutrients and toxins. The liver need plenty of water.
Yes,
But
Pads.
when you start controlling in nature, ayun kanina sinabi ko nga, sa aspirin lang. Aspirin is targeting platelets, not to coagulate. You imagine when you get an accident in the car and you bleed,
Yes, Pads.
no? So, okay, without speaking directly, I'm not against. They are help. I don't see that blood thinner, aspirin as blood thinner is bad. I do not see that it is bad. It is helping, but I am warning only that in case of accident, and you bleed, you cannot control that. So you must know how to take care of your body. I am taking this medicine, so my precaution is I don't get an accident. Masugatan.
Yes, Pads.
The drugs they're wonderful. I mean, I tell you, drugs are wonderful. They really can help a lot. But that's why they also at once say what is the side effects. They are required to publish the side effects. Sometimes you do not read them anymore. Okay.
Thank you, Pads.
Okay. Okay na?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Next time again. I will,
Yes, Pads.
yeah, I am interested um, in medicine. No? No, they are wonderful help. I'm not no, but we must know the side effects. No?
Yes.
Ano? And maybe even ask your doctors what are the side effects of it. It's your right.
Yes, Pads.
But now consultation has become very mechanical. They have to get a certain number of patients a day, otherwise they cannot hold office in the hospital. Ay, terrible, no?
Yes.
So consultation becomes baka later on artificial intelligence will even overtake that. And I think it is already doing something. Artificial intelligence. In fact, many queries now in the internet is reported by artificial intelligence. Even Google's, huh? Google.
Yes.
So you read it and then you evaluate it. And if you are not sure about it, ask some people. Okay?
Yes, Pads. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Na next time naman, maghanap naman ako ng... I am researching now on blockers, no? Because these medicines are targeting really functions in the body. Natural, they have natural use. Now, when you target that, to what extent? Is it forever? Yan. So we hope to help people. We all get sick, no? And in different ways, and we all need medicine and so on. But nature. Oh, the Bible is very clear. Fruits for your food and leaves for your medicines. So medicines are extracted from nature.
Father, may question po.
Yes, please.
Father, vitamins as maintenance meds, okay lang po?
Yeah, no problem. I don't think there are problems with that. Specific nutrients to add to your body. But maybe it's good also to have first your blood, your CBC or no, or minerals check. So that's why that idea of balanced diet is very simple statement, but they are loaded with nutrients. With nutrients.
Father,
Yes, please.
pwede po bang ipalit yung BCO sa extra virgin olive oil?
Ah, I am still okay, ganito 'yan. Why I recommended the extra virgin olive oil because it is unsaturated fats. Unsaturated means no matter how cold is the temperature, no, that fat does not sleep. Instead, coconut oil, when in cold temperatures, na tumitigas, di ba? Natutulog. So, kasi ang purpose ko sa putting the enzyme in the olive oil is that because it is not hardening at any time. So it is going to deliver the oxygen which is in the enzyme. No? So I will find out whether how on what temperature the VCO would harden. I have no data, but I am certain because of this VCO is saturated fats. It has different function. Olive oil is unsaturated fats. It has another function. No? In cold countries, they have no where they don't drink water because it's very cold. No? Okay. So they take not not only one, but they take also olive oil. They drink olive oil, no, to make to move the bowels. Otherwise, they get constipated. So that's my reason for recommending a little expensive, no. But you are assured na it will not block any blood vessels. That's the only reason I have. Okay. For recommending the extra virgin olive oil. I will study muna the VCO. I cannot give this statement at what temperature it will harden. Is the body temperature enough to keep it liquid? I do not know yet. I have no idea. But saturated fats have different function, and unsaturated fats like olive oil also is antioxidant. That means even without the enzyme, the olive oil has a high pH embedded rin ang oxygen. Okay.
Thank you po, Father.
You're welcome. Okay. Next time again. Sige. Okay. You can also message me what you want to hear, what kind of topic we can talk about or something like that. No. Right now, I am into researching on blockers. No, this medicine that they target specific organs in the body, no, to help an emergency situation. But continuous use of it, what happens? No? Yeah. So to alleviate an emergency, okay, but should you continue to take it? What happens if continuing attacking that particular organ in the body, like the liver? Sorry, but we need fats. We need the liver to produce fats. But when you specifically say do not produce fats, that's against nature. So something will not be. No. I hope. Okay. No more. Okay. See you next time. Hello.
Thank you, Father.
Sige, bye-bye. Okay. Going, gone.
Thank you, Father.
Thank you very much. Good night.
Night po.